Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. Today I'll be talking about Urban Attire Shimmer Perfume from Al Ghazal. And yes, this is the perfume bottle. It looks like a clutch bag, which is super cute. And this is a very unique packaging and something that is not there in my collection. So this just adds in a new unique factor. So let's begin talking about this one. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's discuss the packaging first. This one comes in this very gorgeous cardboard box, pink and golden details and all these colors and hues flowing all around the box. Looks really pretty. And then the purse is made right here so that you can see what the perfume looks like. Behind you have all the manufacturing details and pricing. This one is a 100 ml perfume and you get this for 1499 rupees from www.uvora.com. This is how the perfume looks like. I know this is stunning, and this is pink and golden and with a black and golden cap, and of course this handle for the purse. This one opens up like this, so the whole section gets detached, and then this is how the bottle looks like, and it has like this rose gold kind of atomizer. So I do see some residue of perfume coming out, but there is no leakage in this bottle as such. But I think this portion was like overexposed by some perfume, so it has started to kind of become that way. But overall the packaging is super cute, super feminine, so girly, and just yeah, it reminds me of color pink. So very beautiful packaging. For the pricing and everything, I think it's a perfect gifting option. Now let's talk about how this perfume smells like. This is how the sprayer is. Now this perfume is a very tropical, fruity, musky, vanillic, sweet perfume. This does kind of remind me of Latafa Yara. This is also creamy. This also feels like a fruit bowl, or it feels like a fruit shake, like you mix up apple and berries and a plum together, and you mix some cream in it and put some milk in it, put some sugar in it, some ice cubes, and you just take it out of a blender. So the kind of milkshake that you end up getting, put some fresh strawberry pieces on top, and just sip through the cold chilled shake. This just has that kind of a feel to it. It's quite fruity, it's quite lively, it's quite powdery and beautiful and delicate. Like this feels very delicate. So this is very delicate, very powdery, very kind of has a very silky feel to it. And nothing about this is loud, nothing about this is like on your face. This is a very subtle, a very delicate perfume is what I feel. Definitely will remind you of this shimmer pink shade that you see here. And of course the purse and the way that this perfume is again a very girly feel, and so is the perfume. It's super girly, it feels very young, and it definitely has this Latafa Yara vibe to it. Dry down on this one feels like a powdered sugar to me, with of course those fruits coming in, but that powdered sugar feel is very prominent, and also the creaminess is what that stays throughout the journey. So the dry down is again a very powdery, sugary, creamy, fruity dry down. Talking about the performance, this one gives you around 5 hours. The projection and sillage is moderate, and this is the kind of fragrance which is very people pleaser. Like everyone seems to like this and they inquire a lot about this perfume, and this is a compliment getter, but yeah, it is not very projective, so somebody who is in the close vicinity are going to sense this, otherwise they are not going to. Now this is not a very projective scent, it's quite close to skin kind of a fragrance, but it just makes you feel very fresh and very clean, and it just has a very nice feminine vibe to it, and that's what people like about this fragrance, and that's the reason that you'll end up getting compliments. This is not like a this is not like a banger. This is not something that will make you stand out of the crowd. This is a very blendable kind of a fragrance. It doesn't fill the room, the projection, everything is very moderate, and it's not that you will mark your presence or territory anywhere. It's a very soft perfume For people who have migraines or headaches, this is the kind of fragrance that you can go for. It's a very non-offensive fragrance, and overall a very soft, a very nice everyday kind of a fragrance that you can wear to office, you can wear to school, you can wear to college. A very universally flattering fragrance as well. So overall this just has that good fresh girly vibe to it. Overall rating on this one is 8 out of 10. I think the performance could have been a little better, but I think this performance is good enough for people who do not like very strong fragrances. If you are into soft fragrances, which in my channel I show very less of them because I'm someone who likes stronger fragrances. So if you're someone who likes those soft, delicate perfumes, you can definitely go and try this one. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.